What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please stop what you guys are doing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share the video out with one of your friends. I greatly appreciate that, and thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all of my videos. And for today's video, we got probably one of the most fire unboxings in my entire channel. This right here is the 2025 Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Now, I never thought in my life that I would ever be saying that on this channel, that I have a pair of Air Jordan 4 Undefeated in the collection. This sneaker at one point sold for like $40,000. Yes, you heard that correctly. $40,000. This sneaker was extremely rare, originally released back in 2005, only about 72 pairs, and it sold back in 2020 for $40,000. Now this sneaker is fire, and I cannot believe I have it in my collection, but let's take a look at it and let's get to this unboxing. But first, y'all know we got to look at the box. So right here we have this all over silver box. We get the 2025 branding with the Undefeated Jumpman logo right there in the center. Any other branding on the box itself? I don't believe so. We do have the size tag right here, size 11, because you know your boy is true to size when it comes to his Air Jordan 4s. And as we take the box top right here, we lift it up and we are greeted with this Undefeated and Jumpman paper. We pull that back. Ooh, I cannot wait. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did look at this shoe before. I couldn't contain myself. I had to check out this pair, but you know, for the dramatics, for the YouTube, we will pretend like this is the first time. Oh my god, each shoe is individually wrapped. Come on, you already know I love that presentation. Let's peel it back. Ooh-wee. I cannot believe I own a pair of the Undefeated Air Jordan 4s. 2011 me, 2012 me is screaming on the inside. I'm screaming on the outside, and it's 2025. This sneaker is amazing. This was a holy grail sneaker. This was a Nike Yeezy. This was a Paranorma. This was a Air Mag. This is one of the greatest sneakers to ever release, and this is actually Air Jordan's first ever collab. Back in 2005, Undefeated Air Jordan had the first ever collab, and basically this started it all. This started the Travis Scott. This started the Alma Meniers. This started the Unions. Every collab, the Virgils, everything you know about collaborations on Air Jordans, this was the first back in 2005. And boy, oh boy, does this sneaker look amazing in hand. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I've never seen a pair of Undefeateds in person, the original 2005 pair, so I can't compare it to how true it looks, but based off of images, Jordan Brand, they did their thing. They made this a one-to-one replica. And you already know Jordan Brand is known to screw up stuff when they're bringing back a grail like this. They might change the shade of green. They might switch the tongue up. They might switch something up about the shoe. The only thing they did change was throw Nike Air on the back instead of the Jumpman. And honestly, I'm not mad at it because I love a Nike Air on the ass of a sneaker. But they kept the colorway the same. They kept the materials the same. The midsole, the outsole, the Undefeated branding. Now, you know Jordan Brand might have dropped the sneaker without the Undefeated branding, but they came back and collaborated with them again. This sneaker is perfect. This is probably my favorite sneaker in my collection right now. I'm saying that right now. This is up there. Yeah, this has to be probably my favorite sneaker in my collection. My favorite sneaker I've ever bought in my entire life. Let's get both pairs out so we can look at both of them in all of its glory. And oh my god, it looks better and better every time I look at it. And like I said, I did look at it a little bit earlier. I couldn't contain myself. I had to look at it. But listen, every time I look at it, I notice a new thing. Whether it's the meshing on the side panel, whether it's the wings logo, whether it's that tongue, whether it's the insole, whether it's the sock lining. This sneaker has so much detail, so let's go over all of those good things. So right here for starters, we do have the Undefeated hang tag with the Jumpman logo right there. As we pull that back, we are greeted with the uppers on here, and that is that dark forest green, the military green suede going throughout the uppers. For the wings right here, we have a matte black upper portion with a shiny metallic black going throughout the rest. For the midsole, we have hits of cream, flat black, and shiny black. And as you guys can see right there in the Air unit, we have those orange hits peeking out. Like I said, on the back tab, we do have the glorious Nike Air instead of the Jumpman. And for the laces, it comes standard with the black laces, but Jordan Brand decided to bless us and give us an extra pair of laces, and this time they gave us a pair of orange laces. Now honestly, I like the orange laces, but I'm not going to be throwing them in my pair. I'm going to keep it standard OG, and I'm going with the black laces all day. Now as you guys can see, the material on here is amazing. My personal personal pair doesn't have many flaws. Now I have seen on the internet that some people have been getting a lot of flaws, a lot of glue stains, a lot of imperfections in their suede, but for my pair, it's perfect. So for the tongue, we have this beautiful satin forest green tongue, and right here, the most iconic detail on the shoe itself, that peelable Jumpman logo, and here we have the Jordan Rare Air branding right behind it. And I love that they gave us this patch back. We could throw it upside down, we could throw it to the side. However you want to style it, it looks beautiful in my opinion, and I love that detail on this shoe. And on the back side of the tongue, we have this beautiful orange cotton as well as the Undefeated on the upside down patch. For the insoles, we have an orange insole with the Nike Air branding, and on the opposite shoe, we have the Undefeated logo on the orange insole. And for the ankle lining, it is this beautiful light gray cotton material. And we can't forget about the outsole right here, an all black outsole with a hit of orange in the midfoot as well as on the Nike logo. Now this sneaker did release on August 28th for a retail price of $230, and I'm telling you right now, it felt like everybody and their mama hit for retail except for your boy. So I had to trade something very personal to me to secure this pair. I traded my off-white wet grass rug for this pair straight up. Let me know who won the deal. Was it me or was it him? But listen, I'm happy I have this shoe in my collection, and honestly, I'm gonna get a lot more use out of this than I did the wet grass rug. Like I said, Air Jordan 4s always run true to size for me, so let's throw these on feet and let's see how they look. And you already know on this channel, we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and if you guys can't tell by the intro how many times I said this sneaker is a perfect shoe, this is a 10 out of 10 sneaker. Listen, the only thing that's honestly beating this sneaker for me is probably a Nike Yeezy, but right here, this is the grail status. This is probably the pinnacle of grails, and this is a perfect shoe. The colorway, the storytelling, the materials, everything about this shoe is amazing. Jordan brand, y'all did not miss. Union, y'all killed this collab yet again. 20 years later, this is a beautiful sneaker, 10 out of 10. You're really not getting anything better than this shoe in my opinion. Alright y'all, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash the like button. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check your boy out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on a Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to build up the family over there. Listen, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to stare at this shoe for a couple more hours, watch some videos on this shoe, watch reviews, watch detailed looks, you know, the typical sneakerhead stuff. This sneaker is amazing. I love it. And let me know down in the comment section below, is this the best sneaker of all time? It's been your boy Tim. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.